2022 Mercedes GLC prototype reveals more attractiveness. The compact luxury SUV segment has many competitors, and the new 2022 Mercedes GLC is one of them. Mercedes confirmed that the new model will arrive better than ever. Generally, the manufacturer will make it more competitive to keep up with models in the same segment like the Volvo XC60, Porsche Macan, and tech-savvy Audi Q5. All the rivals that are mentioned above offer impressive performance, a comfortable ride, spacious interior, great customization options, but none blends these aspects as the GLC does. On top of that, the new GLC is offered with 3 powertrain options starting with the lowest 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 or 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6, to the most potent 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. 2022 Mercedes GLC redesign. A heavily disguised prototype, the 2022 Mercedes GLC compact luxury SUV, has been spotted testing. According to the news, the next generation will share the same platform with the 2022 C-Class model. Generally, that's not all the two will have in common. Both models feature the same dose of attractiveness thanks to the front fascia. The test vehicle looks to ride lower than the current gen model, likely due to the new platform. However, we doubt the overall styling will change significantly compared to the current one. As we managed to see, the prototype is wearing a large front grille and the same LED headlights, similar to those of the present GLC. Moreover, the most noticeable changes are much more muscular rear wheel arches. The roof is also taller and flatter than before. Interior improvements. Besides sharing some exterior elements with the C-Class and S-Class, it appears the interior will follow suit. A new spy image reveals a new digital instrument cluster and a large screen that sits low. However, considering that the prototype is larger than the current model, we can expect more comfort inside. On top of that, the new GLC comes with a revamped layout that replaces the conventional-looking cluster with a flat screen. The current GLC 300 model offers 14-way power-adjustable driver's seat, MBUX infotainment system with a 10.25-inch screen and touchpad, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto smartphone integration, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Generally, we think that the new GLC will keep mostly the same features. 2022 Mercedes GLC under the hood. As mentioned, the forthcoming 2022 Mercedes GLC will keep the same line of engines as its predecessor. That means we will once again see the same 3 engine options. However, considering the new platform, expect also hybrid or PHEV versions as well. The entry-level GLC 300 is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that can develop 255 horsepower. A 9-speed automatic transmission sends energy to either the rear wheels, RWD, as the default setup or all 4, AWD, when the 4MATIC system is installed. The next engine is more potent, and it powers Mercedes-AMG GLC 43. Like before, this engine consists of a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that produces 385 horsepower. Lastly, the manufacturer uses a 4.0-liter V8, which is a legendary AMG engine. This engine is available with the GLC 63 model, pumping out 469 horsepower and 479 lb-ft. As before, both AMG models will come standard with an AWD system. Release date, price. According to Mercedes, the latest GLC model will be available to purchase in fall-winter, starting at $45,000 for the entry-level model. Although, we can expect some slight increase in price with the AMG models. The current AMG GLC 43 SUV costs $60,950, while more powerful GLC 63 starts at $74,950. At this point, there is no word for the AMG GLC 63S version.